Now this is the Cotton Belt Railroad Medical Lift Bridge. Was formerly used by the St. Louis Southwestern Railroad. And this bridge crosses the St. Francis River and is located in St. Francis, Arkansas, near Piggot. And so the two towers were removed. It wasn't replaced, but it was the two towers and the machinery was removed. And then it's that lift span is a fixed girder span now. So and so this bridge probably used to raise for boats and then it, on two towers formerly, right? You see, look at that right there, right? So and so this is I think it's a single track. So the towers were removed. I don't know what year, but it is in a fixed position and it acts like a fixed girder span since the two towers were removed. It's located in St. Francis, Arkansas.